In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Mario Kart on your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you already own a physical copy of Mario Kart, like Mario Kart 8 Deluxe or another version, simply insert the game cartridge into your Nintendo Switch 2, and once it's inserted, the game will automatically appear on your home screen. Select it, choose your profile, and you're ready to play. But if you're trying to download it digitally, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down from the home screen and go into the Nintendo eShop. Open this up, select your profile again, and from here, you can either check the chart section or use the search bar. I'm just going to use the search bar right here. So go down to search and browse and then search for Mario Kart. Then hit search. It's going to load and you can see you'll have a bunch of different options on here. Let's just say we want, I guess, Mario Kart World, right? Even though we already have it, just open it up. You're going to see this option for like a virtual game card. Simply go ahead and select this. Then it'll give you an option to either load to this console or open virtual game cards. Select that, the game will load. Just keep in mind if you load it on this console, it may no longer be active on another paired console. But once it is paired, the game will appear on your home screen and you are good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.